Good day, sir. Today I'll be presenting my quiz 2, which composes of several cylinders from the video that is presented in our G classroom. So first we have our cylinder A, A plus, B plus, C plus, D plus, D2 plus, E plus, F, CV1, which is represented to be the conveyor belt, G plus, H plus again, and another H plus, and then another conveyor belt that also represent a conveyor belt, and the last one is I plus. So here in my program, gumamit po ako ng ilang cylinder para po mag-represent dun sa mga nasa video. And ang una ko pong ginawa is yung A+, which is yung pong pagtutulak dun po sa box na nasa video. And then sumunod po is yung B+, and then sunod po dito is yung C+, which is yung isa po pong cylinder na nagtulak dun sa box papunta sa conveyor belt. And then yung D plus po natin is yung nire-represent niya po yung robotic arms na nagpipick and place po dun sa metal na nilalagay dun sa box na nakalagay dun. And then, kaya po madaming nakalagay po na D, since nag-uulit-ulit po yung process ng pick and place, ginawa ko na lang po is naglagay po ako ng cylinders na may name na letter D, and then kasunod po is number to represent that yun po ay isang cylinder lamang. And then yung E plus po natin, F plus, and then yung CV1 po, representation po siya ng conveyor belt na magtutulak papunta po dun isa pa pong cylinder. And then G plus, siya po yung isa pa pong cylinder. H1, H0 hanggang H7 po, nire-represent niya po yung isa pa pong robotic arm na nagpipick and place po. And then yung another CV po, yung CV0 po is conveyor belt na nagre-represent po ng pabalik naman po siya. And then I0. Then, yun. So, pag po pinagana siya, so, dito po sa part na to, naglagay po ako ng timer para po dun sa sensors, and then meron din po siyang LED light. And po. So, supposedly, dapat po is babalik to. Ang kaso lang po ay hindi ko na po siya nagawa. So, hanggang dun lang po yun na natapos ko. So, ang naging sequence ko po is A plus, which is ito, A plus, and then B plus, and then sunod po is B minus, A minus, and then C plus, and then D plus, and then C minus, D plus, yung pong isa po dito, D plus, and then D minus for pick and place po yun. And then yung pong EN saka po F ko is magkasabay po sila mag-actuate kasi yun po yung magtutulak dun sa box papunta po dito sa conveyor belt. And then after po nun, conveyor belt is yung G plus po natin, yung tagaharang, and then yung and then H plus, H minus, H plus, and another H minus. Yun po yung sa pick and place po ulit. And then, naglagay po ako dito sa part na to ng indicator light or yung LED po, tsaka ng timer para po mag-represent as nagsesense yung sa sensor po. And then, after that, yung another H plus and H minus, saka po H plus and H minus ulit. And then, yung conveyor belt po na pabalik. Tapos yung I plus and then I minus. Ito po siya. And then, dapat po may kasama po siyang C plus, D plus, C minus, D minus, and E plus at saka F plus po. Para po dun sa pinakahuling process.